This is our first time drawing one of the great terror birds. This terror bird came from the great North and South America, otherwise known as Phorusrhacos. That's what we're calling it. Phorusrhacos have been on the same area and the same timeline as Macrocenia and Smilodon, along with Megatherium, which is kind of presentable, which I consider Phorusrhacos to be one of my favorite terror birds of all time. And, well, since it debuted on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts for the first time, I consider this prehistoric animal to be very interesting and very presentable around me. I consider him as one of the most popular and one of the most powerful animals on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. Besides, these animals know how to defend themselves and each other from predators. And to be honest, you know about this Eleanor Wonders Why special, Wonderful Journey. Well, I kind of purchased it with the credit card that my mom gave me. But to make up for it, it's with my money. I take full responsibility in it. My bad. Anyways, to make up for it, I will work hard to redo the debt. Alright, now let's draw this part here. Alexa, play Believe by One Piece.
Believe It by One Piece on Amazon Music.
There's his other foot. Alright. Alexa, play Believe from One Piece.
Believe from One Piece, vocal version by our master, featuring Shiroku on Amazon Music.
There we are. There we are. There. And finished. I think this will... I think that ought to settle it. That's how you draw Phorusrhacos. Dinosaur-like carnivorous bird. Wow, that's a long time. North and South America. Alexa, what is a terror bird? Alexa, what is terror bird?
Phorusrhacos, colloquially known as terror birds, are an extinct family of large carnivorous flightless birds that were among the largest apex predators in South America during the Cenozoic era. Their conventionally accepted temporal range covers from 53 to 0.1 million years ago. They ranged in height from 1 to 3 meters. Their closest modern-day relatives are believed to be the 80-centimeter tall Siriemas.
Alright, that settles that.